Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys, phone OTG connection guys. How can we on and off? Friends, you want to on and off guys your phone OTG connection. So how can we on and off OTG connection in Oppo phone device? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting in Oppo phone device guys. So guys, after on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys your phone system setting guys. On your system setting, then guys scroll it friends, you can see phone OTG connection guys. So guys, you can on and you can use guys your OTG connection from here. And friends, you want to off your OTG connection, so you can off from here guys, and do not connect by the OTG cable. So guys, you can use guys, you can on and you can use your OTG connection setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off Oppo mobile guy phone OTG connection. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.